Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about Ladakh. Number 1. Ladakh is a union territory of India. Number 2. It is a region in the northern part of the Indian subcontinent. Number 3. The place has breathtaking landscapes. Number 4. The region is surrounded by hills. Number 5. Leh is the capital of Ladakh. Number 6. Leh is also the largest town in Ladakh. Number 7. Ladakh is known for its vibrant festivals such as Hemis Festival and Ladakh Festival. Number 8. Ladakh is sparsely populated. Number 9. Ladakh has a unique cultural blend of Tibetan and Indian influences. Number 10. Ladakh is a popular destination for trekking, camping and motorcycle adventures. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.